Welcome to the Dr. R Craft CSS pseudo classes tutorial. Pseudo classes are used to define special states of HTML elements. The syntax of pseudo classes is just their selector and then a colon and then the name of the pseudo class and in curly braces your styles. This example below uses pseudo classes to show different link states. You can change the link states with these buttons. So unvisited links, or just links, will appear in red. Visited links will appear in an orange color. Hovered links, or links moused over by the cursor, will appear green. And active links, which are links the moment they're clicked, will show in a blue color. Let's show the link states a bit more clearly by actually seeing the code of how this works. As you can see, link means an unvisited link and the color is red. Visited means a visited link and the color is orange. And hovered means when hovered by the mouse cursor, it's green. And active, the moment it's clicked, it's blue. Now in the CSS style definition, you can see that hover must come after link in visited and active must come after hover in order for these styles to be effective. In addition, these link states also work with any other selector like this. As you can see, this link is still orange, so pseudo classes can be accompanied by any type of selector. Now let's learn about the first child pseudo class. This selects all p elements that are the first child of any element. As you can see, it selects this element because this p element is the first child of this body element. Let's add some more text inside of these paragraphs. So now, as you can see, this paragraph is still selected. However, we can select all emphasized elements that are inside first child p elements, or select emphasized elements that are the first child of any p element. Now let's move on to the lang pseudo class, which selects all specified elements with a specified language. As you can see, this Q or quote elements language is set to ES for Spanish, and these quotes are shown here. Now we can change it like this. And as you can see, the quotes are now different. Or we can set it to open quote, close quote. And now it looks like this. And you don't just have to set the quotes property. You can select any text property you want. Like this. This concludes the CSS pseudo classes tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.